Yeah. I was asking you to reach
And
from
after
beginner to intermediate level. What steps did you take? Because you are from a village and many people do not have environment and they literally struggle, villagers, to reach certain level. But you are speaking quite well. So please share tips that worked for you.
okay, beginner to intermediate level. You are saying
Yes.
beginner to
Yes.
intermediate. Okay. So okay, if I talk about my journey, then first I have to tell you that I have practiced a lot. In the beginning, when I started speaking in English language, I used to talk for 3 hours or 4 hours in a day. For 3 months, I continuously talk, and I used to use applications a lot, and I got a practice partner there. I continued my practicing with that practice partner, and in
Mm.
reality, also I had a friend, but she is far away from my village, so we used to talk on call for 1 hour daily, and we used to discuss about various topics like village life versus city life, joint family versus nuclear family, love marriage versus arranged marriage. These kind of topics we used to discuss, and as well as we were making stories. Like for example, like she used to give me 3 words, and I have to include those 3 words in my story. So
Mm.
this is how I practiced. And also I have collected some pictures from Google, like like
Yeah.
a picture or scenario of a park, a scenario of a village life. So I used to describe those pictures as well. So this is how I have improved, and I already knew grammar, so I did not need to learn grammar separately. I did not
Mm.
work on my grammatical skill. So because I completed English honors, so that time, like in English honors there is no grammar, but in my class 9 to 12 I learned grammar, so I applied those grammars in my communication.
Mm. And how much time did you take for
This
you
is
to reach from beginner to intermediate?
within 3 months I reached from beginner to intermediate. I did not take a long time, because in the beginning I worked hard. This is the result of my hard work, you can say. But after that I stopped. That is the main reason I'm not able to improve anymore. If I
Mm.
work
Yeah.
hard, if I maintain my consistency, then definitely I can increase my level again. And right now I am also learning some advanced phrases, like instead of saying go to bed, we can say that hit the bed. Like these kind of phrases I am learning. For example, instead of saying I am hungry, we can say that I am famished. But sometimes I forget to use these advanced phrases in my conversation. I forget, because I am
Mm.
habituated to use some basic English. So that's why.
Mm. Yeah, that's right. Was there any question that you wanted to ask me?
No, I just want to ask you that how you are managing all the things. Like I have seen that you have a daughter, and you are handling household jobs as well, and you used to teach in a platform named Inktalki application. So I just want to know that how to manage time, how you are managing. I'm not able to manage my time.
It's just that you set your time. Like by this time, see, when my children are at school, I will have time, right? So I'll try to hurry up and finish all my work. Sorry. I will hurry up and try to finish all my housework by 11 a.m. So after that, I will have some couple of hours free time before it is lunchtime. So in that time, I try to manage and rest like edit things like editing and that other things. When my children are doing their homework, I sit with them and try to do editing. After they sleep, I'll do the uploading. It's like that. It is like in bits and pieces. I do not sit and
Mhm.
finish in one go because it is very difficult. Honestly, it's not easy.
Yeah, obviously. Okay. Okay, so this is what I was asking. I had one more question, like a homemaker cooks at home, right? So like how much time it takes to finish the cooking process, and after that work, like taking sessions uh, and downloading videos. Like how much time it takes to record a video? Like record a video means I have seen that you were making some videos like how to increase vocabulary, or how to like that was not conversational videos. Those videos were not conversational videos.
Yes.
So for
Yes.
making those kind of videos, how much time it takes?
See, it takes a lot of time to do the research. Maybe
Mhm.
like
Yeah,
one week, or it takes a lot of time. You have to refer to a lot of
that's true.
videos. You have to refer to a lot of blogs also. So you gain knowledge. Then I literally write down using a pen and paper. I write down the script. That will take time. Okay. Once that is done, again, you have to shoot. And
Yeah,
sometimes it takes like 3, 4 hours to shoot. because sometimes you're making a mistake, or you're not satisfied with the background or the lighting. So there's a lot of issue when
Yeah.
you make solo videos.
Yeah, solo videos. Okay, those videos are called solo videos.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Solo video.
have heard it, but I was not able to use in my conversation. Okay, so
Mm,
yeah, I also started using like making those videos, solo videos, but
mm.
rather than I switched to after that I switched to conversational videos because I was not able to like manage my time properly.
Yeah.
For making script, I need to search a lot, research a lot. After that I have to write down all the things. I have to like put my own sentences there. I have to create my own sentences as well. And after that, for recording a video, it takes 2 hours or more than 2 hours
Yes.
because like most of the time I retake my video. Hey, for example, suppose I have made one video, and after that if I see that there is some mistakes, then I retake that,
Yeah.
that video again, then again I retake like maybe three or four times this thing continues to go.
There is a lot of effort
So
behind
that
solo
is why,
videos, but conversational videos are easy.
yeah, there is a lot
But
of
solo
there is a lot
videos are something which will give you
no,
satisfaction because,
it doesn't take long.
yeah, yeah, your voice is so
Yeah,
breaking out, so I
so
cannot
I was
make
also
out
thinking that
exactly when you're speaking and when you're stopping because your video
your
is
video is
frozen.
also
And
paused sometimes, and
yeah, yeah, there's a
your
lot of
video is
network
also
issue.
getting frozen. And your voice was also breaking sometimes.
Yeah, that is why we are interrupting each other, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that
Yeah.
so I am thinking that I will also make solo videos after finishing my exam, because after 2 months I have exam, and I apart from that I am preparing for seated examination. So in the month of July I have exam. So after 1 month I have exam. Then again after 1 month I have exam. So
Busy
I
with
know that I
preparation.
have like spoken English is secondary thing. Yeah, but right now the most important thing is my exam, and after that spoken English and making videos.